Hi there, welcome to my channel where you can follow my journey to set up and maintain a dividend portfolio for my 4-year-old daughter. Time goes fast, it's May 2020 already. This is part 7 of the journey. I bought the 5th dividend paying stock and give an overview of the portfolio and the market, which I will get back to in a moment. If you like to follow my journey and see the dividend portfolio of my daughter grow, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get notified when I upload a new video. Life is a bit different at the moment. It's a strange world I don't want to get used to. First of all, like I mentioned in the last video of April, I hope that you and your loved ones are still healthy and okay in these days. Now let's do a small recap for my previous videos. I bought AbbVie, Disney, 3M and Waste Management. In my last video of April 2020, I almost bought Johnson & Johnson instead of Waste Management. Not that Johnson & Johnson is a bad choice, but because it is in the same sector as my first stock, AbbVie. And part of my dividend plan was to diversify. You can diversify in many ways, but at first I want a stock in each so-called sector. There are several sectors, but eToro has laid out 9 sectors where it has stocks in. The 9 sectors are basic materials, conglomerates, consumer goods, financial, healthcare, industrial goods, services, technology, and utilities. I got 4 sectors filled already. Waste management in industrial goods, 3M in conglomerates, Walt Disney in services, and AbbVie in healthcare. Now let's take a look at where the portfolio is standing right now, what happened in the stock market, and of course, what I bought for May. Well, what happened in the market in April? After a terrible red March, April was very green overall. The S&P 500 went up from 2,550 to 2,900. My latest stock, Waste Management, did very well and is up over 10%. The only green stock at the moment. But every stock did very well in April. On average, I was 20% in the red in early April, as I mentioned in my previous video. And now with Waste Management included, I'm around 6% in the red. That's a huge jump. On my eToro account, which you can view using the link below this video, you can see the current status of my portfolio. April ended with Waste Management 10% in the green, 3M 2% in the red, AbbVie 6% in the red, and Disney still hit the hardest with 23% in the red. And that's nice compared to March, although it's not the goal of this portfolio. A steadily growing dividend portfolio is. And since I just started recently, I did not receive much dividends. But in the next few months, dividends will come with the stocks I bought already. Noticeable in April was that the oil price didn't do very well, to say the least. Since all the restrictions, airplanes are mostly on the ground. People are on a lockdown or work from home, if they still have a job. So the use for oil has dropped immensely, as well as the price. Now countries are slowly getting out of the lockdown conditions, so it will be interesting to see how this all works out for the following months. And what did I buy this time? This time I chose AT&T, ticker symbol T, as my May stock, my 5th stock. AT&T is the world's largest telecommunication company. And what I love about the company is that it goes back to the invention of the telephone, back to the Bell Telephone Company, which was established in 1877 by Alexander Graham Bell, mostly known as the inventor of the telephone. What I also like is that AT&T is a dividend aristocrat. It has raised its dividend for over 35 consecutive years and has a current dividend yield of around 7%, which is quite high. And although it depends on the evolution of the pandemic, the success of the growth of HBO Max and 5G, this all can impact which way it goes with the stock. And even it dropped quite a bit, around 25%. But still, I think this will be a good addition to the portfolio. On the 4th of May, I bought for $50. I didn't receive any dividends in April. 1.69 unit of AT&T, my fifth stock. And this one is in the technology sector. These are uncertain times, but I keep reminding myself to stick to the plan, because I believe and know that it's smart to keep investing in a crisis like this, although your mind in the short run tells you to get out of it. Having a plan makes this journey a lot easier, so I will keep investing and stick to this plan. If you want to check the current status of my daughter's portfolio, you can look at the link below the video to eToro. Feel free to follow or copy the portfolio if you have an eToro account. This is my 10th video. My first was on the 14th of December. And of course, I started with 0 subscribers. And now this channel reached 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers who have chosen to follow my journey in setting up a Dividend account for my daughter. I know that I do not make a lot of videos, and the last one was even a month ago. But I'm very thankful for all these subscribers. I find it very fulfilling to buy dividend stocks for my daughter, but the subscribers, the reaction, give me additional strength and joy to continue. So to all my subscribers, thank you. I really appreciate it. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. This really helps to grow my channel. I hope to inspire more people to look for the long-term investments, especially for their kids, like I do. Look at the current status of the portfolio in the link to eToro below the video. But remember, I am not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Any investment has risks, so do your own research. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.